Happy holidays, everyone, and hopefully everybody had a good Christmas as well as a good time off from work. This is Jeremy from APR Welding Academy. So those of you who don't know me, I own a private career college located in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario that specializes in welding and fabricating. So basically what I want to get from you guys today is I want to try doing some fun TIG welding in the shop, fresh in the new year. I'm probably going to bring my wife and teach her at the same time how to do some aluminum TIG welding. So what I want from you guys is some tips and tricks of certain things that either helped you throughout the years or maybe tricks that you used that you got taught when you were an apprentice or even not even a welder. What I want to do is try and get some things together in the shop, different techniques, different tools, different things that might help you guys with TIG welding and show everybody, right? So I want to try and get a few things together. So drop down in the comments below of tips and tricks that has either helped you or that you've heard before and maybe never tried for yourself. And hopefully I can give you guys the answers to whether or not it actually works properly or not, or if it's even worth doing. Ideally, I might have all the stuff we need in my shop already. So, for me, it's not hard to go and try it out for you guys and hopefully give you the answers you're all looking for. So please drop in the comments below. Let me know, all the different tips and tricks and techniques and even tools or different gases. Let me know and I will try it out for you. And obviously I will make another video showing you guys all the tips and tricks, and I'll let you know what works and what doesn't, and just make sure I have all the information so I can actually try it out properly, right? Cool. Merry Christmas, everyone, and hopefully everybody has a Happy New Year. If you liked this video, then you'll love our channel. Check out our other videos.